వావ్, చెల్లి చూసావా ఎంత బాగుందో? ఇది సీదా అరేంజ్మెంట్ తల్లి.
Super. Palli from come, Chiru, come. Guess who is the first to
that is
he's Venkatachalapati's
Panduranga.
and then people.
So it is Krishna. Krishna is actually standing on top of his brother and trying to take the butter. Okay, and this you know is Vasudeva. He is carrying Krishna on top of his head, and the 5-headed serpent is protecting him. So see, Krishna is dancing on the top of the serpent. A very big snake, 5-headed snake. Itra. Then ikkada chudu. See, Krishna is carrying the big hill on his. He's actually balancing it on his little finger. Ikkada. Because there was a storm in Dwaraka. Appudu, to protect all the people, he did that. So everybody, he put it like an umbrella, and all the people have been standing beside him under the big mountain. It's called Govardhanagiri.
Why there's trees?
ట్రీస్ ఎందుకున్నాయా? అది తెలియదు.
అసలు కొండ చెప్తారు కదా, అందరూ అక్కడ వర్షం పడుతుంది, లేదందరికి కూడా మచ్ వర్షం పడుతుంది. కొండ వస్తే కొండ కింద వచ్చి అందరూ ఉంటారు.
అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ బయట సైడ్
అంటే ఫారెస్ట్
I recognize this.
సో ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు చెప్పు, ఇది ఎవరు చెప్పు, మధ్యలో ఉన్నారు. No, that is Shiva. Shiva is always blue and he has on top of his head like that, and there will be water flowing, that is Ganga flowing, and he will have snake in his neck. Chudu, snake undi kada neck, so he is Parvati Parameshwari. Okay, so this is Meenakshi Kalyanam.
We didn't hear your
Okay. No.
Not prepared today.
Okay. You don't have to. Adu akkada chudu Krishna. Bagundi kada. Adi, this Sairam has done something.
Renuka.
In between the white ID. Yes, very good. And this one? That orange dress? Sripada Vallabha. Elephants born like that. గట్టిగా కొంచెం, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ హియరింగ్. గట్టిగా డోలాసుర భయంకరి పాప హరే దేవి సర్వజ్ఞే తర్వాత ఆద్యంతరహితే దేవి కొంచెం గట్టిగా తల్లి, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు హియర్ యూ. ఆద్యంతరహితే దేవి आद्यन्तरहिते देवी सूक्ष्म महारो गट्टिगा तल्ली महाशक्ते महोदरे पद्मासनस्थिते देवी श्वेतांबरधरे देवी महालक्ष्मीष्टकं स्तोत्रम् महापाप विनाशनम धनधान्य त्रिकालम्य पठे नित्यम महालक्ष्मी भवे नित्यम वेरी गुड दैट्स द स्पिरिट आरिका go on go on go on go on go on
அழகான பழனிமலை ஆண்டவா உன்னை அனுதினமும் பாட வந்தேன் வேலவா அழகான பழனிமலை ஆண்டவா உன்னை அனுதினமும் பாட வந்தேன் வேலவா வள்ளிமயிலாதனே காவடி வேலனே வள்ளிமயிலாதனே காவடி வேலனே வர வேண்டும் மயில் மீது முருகையானே முருகா 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 அழகான பழனிமலை ஆண்டவா உன்னை அனுதினமும் பாட வந்தேன் வேலவா வெளித்திருநீரும் வெற்றி வடிவேலும் உலகத்தில் தோன்றுமே வெளித்திருநீரும் வெற்றி வடிவேலும் உலகத்தில் தோன்றுமே வள்ளிமயிலே வேலங்கருவரை நெஞ்சம் காணுமே வள்ளிமயிலே வேலங்கருவரை நெஞ்சம் காணுமே என்னையாலும் ஆண்டவனே வேலவா என்னையாலும் ஆண்டவனே வேலவா எளியேனும் உன்னை பாட அருள்வாயா முருகா 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 அழகான பழனிமலை ஆண்டவா உன்னை அனுதினமும் பாட வந்தேன் வேலவா நல்லதெல்லாம் என்னை நாடி பெருகிட நல்லரும் செய்வாய் நல்லதெல்லாம் என்னை நாடி பெருகிட நல்லரும் செய்வாய் தீயதெல்லாம் உடன் திண்டு கருவிட திருவரும் புரிவாய் தீயதெல்லாம் உடன் திண்டு கருவிட